Today I am reviewing the YAWYORE gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. Looking for a powerful, budget-friendly gaming PC that doesn't compromise on performance? The YAWYORE gaming desktop might just be your perfect match, whether you're diving into 1080p gaming, doing light content creation, or need a reliable pre-built system for school, work, or game design. Let's begin with the engine powering this setup, the AMD Ryzen 5600GT processor. It's a 6-core, 12-thread CPU with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a turbo boost that can take it all the way up to 4.6 GHz. This chip is built on AMD's acclaimed Gen 3 architecture, which is known for excellent single-thread and multi-thread performance. What that means for you is snappy responsiveness across a wide range of tasks, from browsing and multitasking to gaming and light video editing. The real magic of the 5600GT lies in its versatility. It's fast, efficient, and reliable, and it's ready to handle modern workloads without breaking the bank. Whether you're compiling code, streaming videos, or running virtual desktops, this CPU keeps up effortlessly. Now, when it comes to graphics, this system comes equipped with integrated AMD Radeon Vega graphics, which are surprisingly capable for an entry-level machine. These onboard graphics let you enjoy 1080p gaming on popular titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Valorant, League of Legends, and even lighter AAA titles on medium to low settings. It's also great for indie games, emulators, and older games that don't demand a dedicated graphics card. Of course, if you ever want to upgrade, this tower has room for a discrete GPU down the line, so you're not locked into integrated graphics forever. But for out-of-the-box performance, the Vega graphics will surprise you with how much they can do. Backing this up is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, which hits the sweet spot for modern gaming and general multitasking. With this amount of memory, you can comfortably run multiple browser tabs, stream, chat on Discord, and play games without noticeable slowdowns. When it comes to storage, the 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen4 SSD is a major win, especially at this price point. It's blazing fast compared to traditional SATA drives and even faster than older SSDs. Boot times are nearly instant, applications launch quickly, and file transfers are lightning fast. You got plenty of space for games, projects, media, and whatever else you need. Let's talk design and cooling. This PC features a stylish black tower case with a tempered glass side panel, giving you a full view of the internals, including the 5 pre-installed ARGB fans. These 12cm fans aren't just about flashy lights, although the lighting is fully customizable and remote controlled. They're about performance too. The intelligent temperature control keeps your system cool and quiet, even under load. Whether you're gaming for hours or running demanding applications, you won't be dealing with overheating or distracting fan noise. Cooling is further assisted by AMD's stock air cooler, which works efficiently with the included airflow system. It's a great balance of performance and noise reduction, keeping things stable and quiet. This system also comes with built-in Wi-Fi via a USB antenna, which is a great touch for those who don't have easy Ethernet access. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or downloading games over Wi-Fi, you'll have a stable, reliable connection. Powering everything is a 550-watt 80-plus bronze certified power supply, which provides efficient and dependable energy distribution throughout the system. That means better power efficiency, lower heat output, and long-term reliability, all essential for a pre-built PC. And everything runs on Windows 11 Home, giving you the newest user interface, gaming optimizations, and security updates right out of the box. It's clean, smooth, and ready to go. No bloatware, no extra setup needed. So, who's this PC for? If you're a student, a casual gamer, or someone looking for a reliable desktop for creative work, office use, and everyday multitasking, this desktop fits the bill. It's also a fantastic entry-level system for those looking to explore PC gaming without spending thousands. And if you're a parent looking for a good starter PC for your child that balances performance, future upgradability, and value, this is a great buy. In conclusion, the YAWYORE gaming PC desktop with Ryzen 5 5600GT offers excellent value for the price. With a fast 6-core CPU, integrated Vega graphics, 16 GB of RAM, a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, and stunning RGB cooling in a well-built case, it's a system that's ready to work and play straight out of the box. It's stylish, it's functional, and it's built to deliver smooth performance day after day.